Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this week's video, I'm going to be opening up some Disney Lorcana first chapter booster packs. I was able to find these packs at my local games store after Ravensburg did a reprint of the first chapter. I'm really excited for this opening video, and I hope you enjoy as well. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this and other content that I produce for the channel. Thank you so much and enjoy this video. So we're gonna get started. I just wanted to show you that I have 6 booster packs that I'm gonna open up. 2 of each design, 2 of Mickey, 2 of Elsa, and 2 of Maleficent. Let's open up and start with the Mickey packs. I'm really excited for this reprint. I was unable to get a lot of product because the prices were so high. These packs were around $8 a pack. So they are above MSRP, but I was able to get just a few for the channel. So let's get started and open up this first pack of this video. We have Jafar, Wicked Sorcerer. We have Duke of Wesselton, Opportunistic Official. We have Maleficent, since Sinister Visitor. Aladdin, Street Rat. Minnie Mouse, Beloved Princess. We have Cerberus, three-headed dog. We have a Mad Hatter, gracious host. Scepter of Arendelle item card. Cinderella, gentle and kind. We have a Captain Hook, Captain of the Jolly Roger rare. We have a Lilo, Making a Wish rare. And our holo is going to be a Peter Pan, Never Landing, which is just a common card. All right, and we are going to open up our second pack. We're going to start this opening with a Dr. Vasilier, a charlatan, Megara pulling the strings, Mickey Mouse detective, Peter Pan fearless fighter, Simba protective cub, Break action card, a Pascal Rapunzel's companion, Belle innovative engineer, You Have Forgotten Me action card, a rare just in time action card, and we got ourselves a super rare, our Marshmallow Persistent Guardian. And we got ourselves a uncommon Rapunzel Letting Down Her Hair card. Now we're going to move on to the Maleficent packs. Artwork. Hoping for a good pull today. I wasn't able to choose which booster packs that I wanted, but you know, they come out of a booster box, so hopefully we get some good pulls. We're going to start this third pack with a Freeze action card, a Vicious Betrayal action card, Donald Duck strutting his stuff. He's got a sword action card, a Boomba Friendly Warthog, Aladdin Cornered Swordsman, a Ransack action card, Rapunzel letting down her hair, just a regular uncommon this time. And we got ourselves an Elsa Snow Queen. We got a rare Maui. And we got a super rare, which is a Mulan Imperial Soldier. And we got ourselves a Captain Hook Hollow Common. Already halfway done with this unboxing video. Now we're on to our fourth pack. We're going to start this pack off with the Wardrobe Belle's Confidant, Aduka Wesselton, Opportunistic Official, Maleficent, Sinister Visitor, Aladdin, Street Rat, Minnie Mouse, Beloved Princess, a Tinkerbell, Tiny Tactician, a Jumba Jokiba, Renegade Scientist, One Jump Ahead, it's a song and an action card, Be Our Guest, action and song card. We got ourselves our rare Maleficent, Biding Her Time, in a Maleficent booster pack. And we got ourselves a legendary Gantu, Galactic Federation Captain, which is a great pool. And we got ourselves a Sergeant Tibbs Curious Cat common. We're going to start our next packs that are going to be Elsa artwork. We're going to start this off with a Maleficent Sorceress, Tinkerbell Most Helpful, Magical Golden Flower, Goofy Daredevil, a Hey Hey Boat Snack, Hercules True Hero, Jasper Common Crook, Chief Tui Respected Leader, Lafouille, which is a bumbler. We got ourselves a rare Fishbone Quill, which is an item card. And we got ourselves a Maleficent Biding Her Timer card. And we got ourselves a Mickey Mouse Artful Rogue, which is a super rare holo card. Which is awesome. I do like this card, and is one of the cards that I wanted to pull on the set. Although I would like that card in the enchanted version. Comment down below what type of pulls you've had in your Lorcana packs. Alright, and we are on our last of 6 packs for this unboxing video. We're going to start ourselves off with a Jafar Wicked Sorcerer, a Aladdin Prince Ali, Jasmine Disguised, Elsa Ice Surfer, Healing Glow Action Card, Aladdin Cornered Swordsman, Beast Hard-Headed, a Moana Chosen by the Ocean, Olaf Friendly Snowman, a rare Genie Powers Unleashed, and we got ourselves a Fishbone Quill as a rare. And our last card of this opening is going to be a Flounder Common Hollow. I do thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos and supporting the channel. I will see you in the next one.